Good morning, fifth graders and fifth grade families. This is Miss Lehman. I wanted to record a video for you this morning with a tip because I know that some of us are looking for a little bit more structure on those NTI days because we do need to stay focused and remind ourselves that even on an NTI day, it is a school day and we are simply doing our schoolwork outside of the school building. But truly, it is still that school day. And I know some of us are looking for a little bit more structure to our day, similar to what we have at school. So I wanted to share a wonderful resource that we've created that may just be able to help you if you are looking for that structure for yourself, or parents if you're looking to help your child get a little bit more structure to their day. First thing you need to do is visit our homeroom Google Classroom. So you can see I've pulled up Miss Lehman's homeroom Google Classroom here, but Mrs. Wilder's friends, you'll do exactly the same thing. Of course, go to classwork. And then if you look down in classwork, there is a topic that says NTI Days, Non-Traditional Instruction Days. If you click on this, I do want to call your attention that this says optional. This is not mandatory at this time. There are a couple of friends who we may step in and really encourage you to take advantage of this. But right now, this is an option for you. However, it's not mandatory. If you open this Google Doc, you will see that we have created a sample schedule. When we're here at school, we know exactly what to expect, what time our breaks are, what time our specials are. So we have created a similar schedule that you may elect to follow while you are at home. If you scroll down, you will notice that there are times for all of those subject areas as well as directions as to what you should be doing each day in those subject areas. There is some time for free choice where you might choose to do some iReady or read an AR book. There's time for lunch and recess. I've even included a link or those links to the virtual classrooms of our specials teachers. So if you're someone who might be missing your PE class or other special classes, you might really enjoy going in and being able to partake in some of those wonderful things that those teachers have in their Bitmoji classrooms. You might really look forward to that as a brain break in the afternoon, as well as honing those skills from guidance or music or art. All of the subjects are included. This is a wonderful way to make sure that you're giving yourself the structure it takes to meet the expectations of school when you're doing it at home. You can find this resource in our Google Classroom. It is a Google Doc that is shared with you. Feel free to print this off, maybe put it on a bulletin board beside the location where you normally do your NTI work, and you can use this as a structure to help you stay organized and focused.